everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook story music. To know how to fix Facebook story music, you should just go to settings like this here. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will enter, you will go down to click it to find the application of Facebook, as you see here. You will go to click Facebook, and when you will enter here, you will find this page, and you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will go to click here storage. After that, in this page, you will click down here clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data, and after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.